have a good Easter? What? The Easter bunny? Phew. That's very cool. Alrighty, let's start nicely. Sit up straight, nice and straight. Sit up straight. Let's show them. Sit nice and straight. And twinkle your fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And stretch. Ooh, stretch. And this side stretch. Ooh, stretch. Okay. And touch your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And touch your ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And touch your elbows. And touch your shoulders. And shake, 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 shake your fingers. Okay. Are you ready? Let's sing our good morning song. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, number 1. Our day has just begun. Good morning, number 2. Good morning to you. Good morning, number 3. Be happy as can be. Say cheese. Good morning, number 4. And then we go one more. Good morning, number 5. It's good to be alive. Good morning, everyone. Let's learn and have some fun. Yay! Well done, everybody. Okay, let's sing. Point to the ceiling and point to the floor. Point to the window and point to the door. Give your hands a clap. 1, 2, 3, and put them on your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Well done, everybody. Sure, you're so clever this morning, hey? Are you doing so well?
I know today.
Okay, what is the weather doing? Did you go and look outside? Have you been outside today? A little bit cold.
Rainy, cold, and cloudy.
It's definitely cloudy. Let's see if we can find cloudy to show you. Is the sky blue? Is the sky blue?
No.
No, it's cloudy. Can you all say cloudy? Cloudy. Well done. Today is cloudy. And it's a little bit cold and it's a little bit rainy. So we can find Mr. Rain. It's not raining right now, but I think it's going to rain just now. There's Mr. Rain.
And what about
Mr. Windy? The leaves are moving, but it's not windy. The other day was windy, hey? And can you all show me your 7 fingers? You ready? Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, at school. But on Saturday and Sunday, we don't come to school. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yay! Okay, so we had a long weekend because it was Easter. So we didn't come to school with RTJ on video on Friday. And we didn't come on Monday. So yesterday was Monday, which means today is Monday, Tuesday. Yay! Well done. Can you see? This is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. The month is April. The month is April. The season is autumn. The season is autumn. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Right, look carefully. This one says April. Can we clap it? April. Well done, everybody. So today we've got something fun to do. Are you all ready? Okay, so even if you don't have it ready right now, you can always watch the video again. But today you're going to need 2 lemons. 1, 2. You're going to need this. You're gonna have to ask your mommy if they've got it in the house. It's called bicarb. Okay, and you're going to need a little bit of food coloring. Okay, depending on which ones you've got, that's what you need. Right, so the first step you're going to need to do is get a tray or something to put your lemon in. Okay, so we're just going to use one of our painting trays, and you're going to take your first lemon, and I think you must roll it in your hands and make it very, not that one, roll and make it very soft, because this one we just need the juice. And if you've got lemon juice at home, you can just use 1 lemon. Okay, so you're gonna roll your lemon, roll it on the table. Lexi's rolling the lemon for us, and then I'm gonna have to pick up the phone and just show you upside down when we do the experiment. Okay, so roll. There's no more. Okay, Ava, you can roll that one, my love. Okay, so once you've made your lemon nice and soft, you're going to cut off the top of the lemon. Only the top. So you're going to cut it off, and please, sharp knives, only mummies and daddies' children. I don't want you playing with knives. You're going to cut the top of the lemon off. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, so you've just got a little boat. Mums and dads, you can also just cut off the bottom so that it can sit straight if it doesn't want to sit in your bowl. So it should sit quite level in your bowl like that. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a fork or a spoon, and you're going to just go in there, watch your eyes that the lemon doesn't spray you in the eyes, and you're going to turn it and mush it. Just hang on, legs. Okay, so let's move this up here so everyone can see. So we're going to turn it and mush it. Make sure you try and keep all the lemon juice inside there, because that's going to make our volcano. Oh, so exciting. Okay, so Auntie Jane's just going to continue to squish it all together, and we'll see you when we're back. Okay, so what we've done now is we've kind of squished our whole center of our lemon, and I have got quite a lot of lemon and juice in here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your food coloring. You're going to take your food coloring, and you're going to put a couple drops right down at the bottom there. Okay, so now our food coloring is in our lemon. And then we are going to take some of the rest of the lemon juice, so the one that's in the tray here, and just pour it in so that your lemon is completely full of lemon juice. Okay, oh, now my lemon juice is blue. Can you all see? Oh, there it comes out. Okay, so Auntie Jay's gonna put it up here. Oh, can you all see it? There we go. Now comes the fun part. Okay, remember, whatever leftover lemon juice, the other lemon, squeeze the lemon juice in so this lemon is pretty full, as well as the lemon juice from the top. You can squeeze that all in there. Make sure that the lemon's full of juice. If you want to keep the reaction going, add more lemon juice, add more bicarb. Okay, so here is our bicarb. Opening it up.
And what's going to happen?
Let's see what happens. Let's hope this works. Okay, so we're going to take our bicarb and we're going to put it on top. Are you watching? Oh, it's making a volcano. Volcano lemon juice. Yay, look at it bubbling over. It's a blue volcano. And let's see now. Let's see if we add more lemon juice, what happens. Oh, it's volcanoing out!
It looks like a waterfall.
Yeah, it looks like a waterfall. Hey, because it's blue. So moms, as I say, you can keep the reaction going on by just adding a little bit more bicarb, a little bit more lemon juice. And let's see what happens now. Oh, it's bubbling. Okay, wait, let's see now what we do. Now, remember that one's blue. So let's see what we can do next. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of yellow. Okay, got some yellow. And we're gonna add some more. Ooh, lemon juice.
This is a
We're gonna
volcano.
add some more.
I'll put some
And
more.
let's see. Ooh, what happened to our volcano? What color did it go to?
Blue.
It's not blue, Lex. What color is it?
Green.
It's green. Because yellow and blue make green. There's our lemon juice volcano. Can you all see it's volcanoing out?
Mommy, I touched it.
You can touch it. Oh, now you're going to have green fingers. Don't touch the inside there, Lex. You're going to have very green fingers. Okay, so let's try one more time.
Touch it in.
Lex, wait. Let's put some more lemon juice on top. Wow! Don't let Lex. Everyone wants to see my papa. Look! Our lemon is having a volcano eruption. No, we don't want to touch it. Well, there you have it, guys. Did you see that? Was it so much fun? Lexi, come and skin your finger. Was that so cool? Oh, did you see the volcano go?
Let's try it again.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see you guys trying that at home. It's
Really?
lots of fun.
Let's try it again.
Try it again.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we'll try a different volcano next time.
No, now.
Now? No, not now.
Mommy,
Okay.
please.
Okay, hi everybody. So we've cleaned up all our mess. Did you guys have fun doing that science experiment? What happened?
Container.
A volcano? Oh, did the lemon bubble out the bowl, out the lemon?
It's over there.
It's over there, that's right. Was that fun? We're gonna do some more. Yeah, we are. Okay, but now we're going to get back to our counting. Okay, who can tell me how many cars are there? One. Everybody show me one finger. One. One blue car. Good job. Oh. How many shoes?
2 shoes.
Show me 2 fingers. 1, 2. 2 red shoes. Well done. Oh. 3. Yes, there's number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 teddy bears. What's this one?
3 watermelons.
4.
4 watermelons.
1, 2, 3, 4 apples. 4 apples. And the last one for today.
It's
Ooh.
the bird.
5. Everybody show me 5 fingers.
5 birds.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. Let's do a really hard one and see who can do this one. Let's go. Let's do this one. Oh my goodness. What have we got? Yo-yos. Okay, let's all count them together. You ready?
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, 11 yo-yos. Did you guys just count to 11? You are so clever. Well done. Okay, we're going to count from 6 tomorrow. So make sure you're ready with your counting hats on. All right. Before we go, we're going to do one little story. Are you ready? Okay. This story is called Eyes, Nose, wiggle your nose, and fingers, and toes. Okay.
We'll not be sick.
Okay, you guys can see just now when Mommy's finished with this glass. Right, let's go. Clap your hands and make a sound. Wiggle your fingers all around. Okay, let's go. Clap your hands and make a sound. Wiggle your fingers all around. Good job. I saw you. Bend and reach to touch your toes. Stand up straight and point to your nose. Okay, quickly stand up, bend and touch your toes. Oh, and stand up straight. And what does it say? Point to your nose. Good job. Well done. I saw you. You did that really well. Open your mouth big and wide. Oh. Where's your tongue that hides inside? Where's your tongues? Open your mouth big and wide. Oh. Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? Good job. Last one. Count your eyes. 1, 2. What color are they? Brown, green, or blue? What color are they? Auntie Jay's are brown.
Mano.
Now we've said our silly rhyme. Let's play the game one more time. Point to your eyes, mouth, and nose. Wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Yay! Well done, everybody. Okay, let's see if we can do it again. Should we? Right, Auntie Jay's just going to read and you guys are going to do it. Okay, why don't you guys come and do it here so everyone can see you. Off the table. Stand over there, Lex. Then everybody can see you. Leave your chairs. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands to make a sound. Wiggle your fingers all around. Good job. Bend and reach your toes. Stand up straight and point to your nose.
Stand up straight
And point to your nose. Open your mouth. Oh, big and wide. Where's your tongue that sits inside? Well done. Count your eyes. 1, 2. What color are they? Brown, green, or blue?
My one's a blue.
Yay! Well done, everybody.
Mine's a blue.
Yours are brown, like mommy's. All right, that's it for today. I hope you had a wonderful day. We will see you tomorrow.